18101, this is the part 2 of the video. The part 1 is is basically the technical perspective explaining what will be going on the week ahead from 20 till 24 July on the gold, and this is the second part explaining the fundamentals moving the gold market from 20 till 24 July. So we will be breaking down the both bullish and bearish. Now coming on the bearish, we will be bearish on the gold if we see any successful vaccine or success in the trials in the vaccine, or any fundamental news improving Trump and China relationship, or any fundamentals which would conclude to reopening of economy, or any good sentiment news. All these news will indicate one factor, which is that the market for the US is experiencing less certainty, concluding that we can see a rise in stock and a decrease in prices for the gold. Now coming on the bullish perspective, moving the gold prices higher highs or creating higher highs in the prices for the gold is due to the fact we have seen a sharp rise in stimulus packages in order to shield the economy from the fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic. Moreover, the US lawmakers returned to Washington on Monday to discuss the potential new coronavirus aid program. Moreover, we have seen that the recession has been confirmed, as it's now officially on June 8. The business cycle dating committee of National Bureau of Economic Research stated that the economic activity in US has peaked in Feb 2020 or its Q4 in 2019 when it comes to the peak in quarterly economic activity, making the start of recession. The peak also designate the end of the expansion that began in June 2009 and lasted 128 months, the longest in the history of business cycle, dated from 1854, which concludes us that we are currently experiencing a recession, and the recession is going to be worse than 2008 and 2009, and the fundamentals due to the recession, the key factors confirming that we are currently in the recession, as we have seen that the expansion which have started in June 2009 has been end, and the tenure for the expansion was some around 128 months and has ended in Feb 2020. Moreover, more than 3.5 million Americans have been infected by the COVID-19, with the death toll surpassing 140,000. A model of University of Washington predicted that 2 lakh coronavirus deaths in the COVID-19 can be held by October 1st, casting further doubts on the economic reopening from the lockdown. Reopening from the lockdown. And the gold prices remain trapped in a range as the virus uncertainty is countered by the vaccine process as the central bank doubts on wait and see approach for the rest of the summer. Thus, concluding that the US economy, that the gold best friend has been stimulus and there have been no shortage of that anytime soon. Moreover, the US economy has been shrinked by 5% in the first 3 months of 2020, its sharpest decline since the Great Recession of 2008 and 2009, as most of the 50 states in the country went into the lockdown to stem the spread of virus. While most businesses have reopened over the past 2 months, economists still warn of double digit recession by the second quarter. The Fed is determined to soften the landing. Moreover, the gold should continue to rise as the US business activity lost of its reopening momentum. More investors anticipate more stimulus will be thrown to try to avoid permanent labor damage in the economy. Thus, stimulus packages, shrink of the economy, 3.5 million, predicted 2 lakh deaths, reopening of the economy, caution, uncertainty in the stimulus will only cast a one effect, which is the increase in the price of the gold. Thus, we are bullish for the gold.